Hi, I brought to you an Italian car today. This one is not most wanted by the collectors and doesn't have the most powerful engine inside, but it has a preserved, beautiful condition, and this one is Alfa 33. Alfa Romeo was established 24th June of 1990, 124 years ago exactly, by Cavaliere Ugo Stella. Alfa means Anonima Lombarda Fabbrica Automobili, which means Lombardian car company. In August 1950, Nicola Romeo bought the company and they started producing airplane engines and heavy machineries. In 1920, they changed the name to Alfa Romeo. In 2021, Fiat and PSA concern merged to Stellantis. The logo of Alfa Romeo made by Romano Cattaneo in 1910. Alfa Romeo logo on the left side refers to the city of Milan with the red cross from the emblem of Milan and the snake and the child emerging from its mouth. This refers to the emblem of the House of Visconti, to the rulers of the city in the 14th century on the right side. Alfa Romeo 33 has been manufactured from 1983 till 1994. The second series with a modified chassis was built from 1989, this exact model built in 1992. As you see, the car plate is Hungarian. The first two digits, OT, means old-timer. If you see something like this on the Hungarian street, you can be sure these cars are 95% original, as it has been manufactured many years ago. The previous model was Alfa Sud. Alfa 33 has some heritage from it. For example, the boxer engine inside, which is a 1.3 liter. What is also unique in the Alfa 33 is the hood is leading in the front and the separated engine room, and this was the last model when Alfa Romeo made this. In the Alfa 33, the engine room, because it's separated, it has a small section for the engine, and the boxer engine was fine, but because the size in 1986, the VM Motori made the turbo diesel engine, which was a 1.8 liter, it has 3 cylinders only. Alfa Romeo 33 has been outdated. So 1994, they made a new model, 145 and 146, which was a 3 and 5 door version, and they still had the boxer engine, but after that, they not produced anymore. Compared to Alfa Sud, Alfa 33 had a right position for the disc brakes in the front. In 11 years of manufacturing this model, Alfa 33, they made almost 1 million pieces of them.
There were also plans to produce a hybrid version with a NICD battery in the wagon version, but in the end it wasn't put into the production.
This car manufactured in 1992, but it has only 31,000 kilometers inside the engine. This one has a power steering, electric windows and central lock. The gear shift is just like brand new, of course, because it's 31,000 kilometers in the car only. And this car is 32 years old. I really like this type of car. The lights in front of you in the dashboard, when you give a side light, it's just so classy. Really like it. The brakes are a little bit weak, but that's okay, you can live with. That's not a problem. And the most beautiful in this car is the atmosphere, what you can get. Basically, you feel it, you go back to the 1992. And as the previous owner in Italy, every second year he made the mechanical exam. So this car was used, actually. But it was used just a little. And that's why this car is in a perfect good shape, like when you get it from the saloon, from the dealership. I really enjoy to drive cars like this. My smile from ear to ear, because these little cars are just giving back a little piece of history, a memory. The dash, the interior is beautiful, it's perfect shape, it's really nice. The handling, the suspension, it's actually all original parts, not just original Alfa Romeo made, it's original how this car came out from the factory still, and it's so perfect condition. I will put a picture on it. I don't know how it will reflect it, but it's just, I like the power of this car. You don't need more, basically. And thank you very much, Alfa. You made this, and I hope you will live a long, long life, and you will make such a beautiful cars. I have to say a big thank you to Adam, who is the owner of this car, to let me present it to you. And I understand him fully why he's keeping in perfect condition this car and saving it. The seats are a little bit narrow to me because I'm too big, but it's so comfortable. Everything, every detail in the interior is like a new, and the engine gives a very nice sound. I don't know how is it come through in the microphone, but it's really nice. It's really enjoyable. And the suspension, the steering, the turning, just very nice. I could imagine I would use a car like this these days if they would remake it with a better safety systems. Oh yeah, very nice. The acceleration is quite good of this car. I like it. I love these type of cars. In 1992, when you go back to the past and you leave it again, how was it there? Because no one wants to keep a car like this in the collection, but somehow they are here again. Anyway, if you like this video, push the like button. Thank you very much for your positive comments and enjoying this beautiful car.